Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing my first PR package. As you can see here, Madam Glam was kind enough to reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to try any of their gel polishes. So I absolutely said yes, and I got to choose 3 colors, and as you can see here, they included a base coat, a top coat, and 3 colors of my choice. So the first one I chose is called Frizzante, and it's like a cat eye effect pink gel polish. The second one I got is Sparkles, and this is like a very like hot pink holographic. I'm sorry, it's Sprinkles, not Sparkles. And this one is electric blue. So I was like, okay, none of these make sense, but I want to try them all 3 in different sets. So they also included this little UV lamp, and I thought it was like a chargeable one for some reason, but it's not. You have to kind of keep it plugged in, I believe. And it's just a little lamp. As you can see here, I show you the power it has is 6 watts, so it's pretty small. And like I said, I thought it was like a chargeable one where you can just unplug it and it works, but no, unfortunately not. This one here, it's called, what did I say, Frizzante, and I'm gonna just show you these little swatches because I was curious to see how they looked on the nail too. And yeah, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. And I already had a magnet. They didn't include the magnet for this cat eye one, but like I said, I already had one. So yeah, look at that. That is so pretty. I was like, yeah, this is the one. And this is like a hot pink, but it looks more like reddish on screen. I guess it might be kind of like a red maroon pink, I don't know, it's just a weird color, and it has the holographic glitter on it. So yeah, look at that, super pretty. And this electric blue one, oh my gosh, I fell in love with this too. I didn't know what to do, but I haven't done like a cat eye set, I don't think. Not with like Frenchies, I don't think so. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try the pink one out. But look at this one. This one's so pretty. And I was thinking maybe doing like a white French, and like with like the china, like the fine china designs on it. And yeah, I forgot, they actually gave me a code of 30% off. Almost forgot about that. So if you guys want to try any of their gels, you can use my code WIRED30. And here I'm just gonna start my application, and I think I'm just gonna let you watch this application. I'm sure if you watch my videos, you already know it's the same application as always. Like I mentioned before, I am a beginner, so application's not the best. I'm gonna show you just 2 nails, the index and the middle finger, just because they just take so long, and it's like the same process for all of them, and they're so long that it just takes a lot of time to build. So I'll just let you watch that. Alright, so after I'm done with my application, like I said, I was just going to show you 2 nails, just because it's going to get boring. Here I am taking off that sticky layer because I do use odorless monomer, and I'm just using like a 100 grit file, which is just a medium grit file, to take off the sticky layer and also file the sidewalls. I don't have a lot to file, honestly, because I took care of these when I was applying my acrylic. And yeah, so one thing I forgot to mention, if you want to use my code to buy any of Madame Glam's gel polishes or products, whatever you decide to get, I will leave a link down below, and this link is going to take you directly to their website, and you don't need to put the code on it or anything. It's automatically applied. Just make sure that when you are checking out, choose the pay as you go option if you don't want to become like a VIP, because normally if you just go on there, it's going to ask you, oh, do you want to be a VIP member or whatever. If you don't want to do any of that, you can just click on the link in the description box. The 30% off is going to be automatically applied. And like I said, just choose pay as you go at checkout. All right, well, after curing the color for 60 seconds, I am applying the top coat, and I'm also going to cure for 60 seconds. Just know that this top coat is, you do have to wipe. It does have a sticky layer at the end after you cure, so just be mindful of that. And after this, you're going to see also that I said, okay, it's missing something. So here I'm applying like little charms, but I use the Kiara Sky nail glue. That nail glue, as soon as you place it onto the nail and you put the charm on there, it does not move. So I was like, okay, so I screwed up on that one. Here I'm using the Zulay bling adhesive. It gave me a little bit more of a wiggle room. As you can see, I still struggled, but I had to take the first, this finger, the index finger, and the middle finger off and file that top coat that I had put on the nails, and I had to clean them off and then recoat them with top coat. And since it was just for YouTube, I just put the charms on top of the top coat before curing. So yeah, you've seen my mistake there. Here they are. They're super beautiful. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hopefully you watch more videos that I'll be uploading here soon. And yeah, see you next time.